up, let's hear from Blue Jeans Product Marketing Manager Aspen Molden and learn about their cloud-based interoperable video conferencing service. You're watching YBLTV. You've got such a unique name, Blue Jeans. Tell us more.
So the name came about because we wanted to differentiate ourselves from the other players in the video market. You've got a lot of companies out there with video in their name. We wanted to come up with something that customers would remember. Our service is really comfortable and easy to use, and Blue Jeans was just a good fit.
There are a lot of pain points in video conferencing. How does Blue Jeans help solve some of them?
So we're addressing it from the user's perspective. A lot of other companies out there are, the same people have been in the industry for a long time, and they're kind of reinventing and recreating the same problems over and over again. And what we're doing is we're addressing three core areas of pain within video conferencing. And one is ease of use, making it less intimidating to the user to be able to use, making it interoperable, making a broad number of platforms to be able to work together, and then really bringing the cost down so that video conferencing can be deployed from the smallest company, nonprofit, all the way up through the enterprise.
What are you guys doing for desktop and mobility?
We support a lot of different desktop clients that are already out there by other vendors, but we also have an iOS app for the iPhone and iPad. And earlier in the year, we launched a browser-based client. So people don't even need to have a video client anymore. They can just use their standard, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox browser, and be able to participate in a video meeting with someone who may be on a high-end telepresence-like system. Video conferencing has been in the enterprise for a long time. The challenge there today is either extending it out to remote employees who may be in the field, so rolling it out on mobile devices and desktop, and also finding a way for UC clients like Microsoft Lync and Cisco Jabber to now be part of the video ecosystem. So they've probably deployed something like Lync, and they want to bring that back into the video environment, and Blue Jeans makes that happen. This is our user interface. We have a web app, which we've made very easy and intuitive to use. Users can go in and just schedule their own meetings, so it's a self-serve service. They can go in and just enter a meeting name, they set the specific time, enter the email address of the participants, and what happens is all the participants get an email invitation. They can actually then click on a link, and they're taken to this page that lets them choose how to join the meeting. So they may be on a laptop or computer working remotely from home, and they can join via their browser, Skype, Microsoft Lync, Cisco Jabber, Google Video Chat, or they may have a high-end system from like Polycom or Lifesize, and they can dial in from the conference room. We also support audio for people who may be driving in the car. And then, as I mentioned earlier, we have our iOS app, so they can join from the iPhone or an iPad, or even a tablet, an Android tablet. This is actually a meeting that we have going right now, and this is our browser client. You can do things like change the video layout, so you can have different options as far as what you're seeing on the screen. We also support content, so you can actually view content while you're in a meeting, and what you'll see is the presentations loading here. We have a really cool new feature called the slider that lets you focus in on what's most important to you. So if you're more interested in what's going on with the presentation, you can scale that larger than the video, or if you'd rather see the video, you can scale it that way. You can see the active speaker, and you can actually see all the participants who have joined the meeting. So I know who's in my meeting, I know who's talking, I know who's presenting, I can mute participants, I can lock my meeting. So all the features that video conferencing users expect are here, but they're just now using a browser.
How's been the show for you guys? What's been the response?
It's been great. It's more of a data-driven show, but we find that there's a lot of IT people here who are looking to find a way to make video easier for them, and so we filled the need. We found lots of good leads this show.